Who is that? Who is that? Kellen, can you say hi? Yeah. How are you? Yeah? How are you? Where's Kellen? Where did Kellen go? Kellen, how are you? Yes?
Is it getting late?
Yep.
Then we won't jump on the trampoline.
No, we'll have to do it tomorrow, sweetheart.
Aww.
Who's that? Who is that? Is that Kellen? Kellen, say hi. Kellen, how are you? Good? Are you good? Kellen, say hi. Yeah, how are you? Kellen, how are you? Yeah.